Welcome to Mojo's Institute of Technology. Today's video we are going to be discuss about Hardlink and Softlink. Before get into the session, please do watch our previous videos and please do like, share, and subscribe. And you need any automation training or automation help on this, we are there to help you out. Please visit our website www.mjit.in. If you like to write an email, please do write an email info@mjit.in. If you like to call me or WhatsApp, please mention the below number 8825410600. You can reach us. We are there to help you out. Okay, thank you. Just to move on to the session, move on to the video. Today we are going to be discuss about links, hard link and soft link in Linux Unix environment. Okay, today we are going to be discuss about this, the hard link and then soft link. There are two types of links in Unix like environment, in Linux environment: hard link and software. In general way, the links, what is the link? A link is the pointing to the particular file where the inode is pointing. Okay, it is a kind of shortcut. How in Windows we are creating a shortcut in the desktop and we take you to the file, to the original file. Links generally in Linux environment or Unix like environment, the file name can have only one name, so it should be unique. Whereas in when you trying to create a link, it allows you to create more than a file name, thus refer as the same file name. As I said earlier, there are two types of links. One is hard link, another one is soft link. Let us see what is hard link. Hard link is the link where I can say in the layman language is backup of the same file. Okay, it remains the inode. If you check inode number, it remains the same inode number. Okay, the hard links are more flexible and remain to linked. Even the original link files moves throughout the file system. Okay, it's flexible. You can say you have one more file, one more copy of the file. Okay, it has the actual content of the file, but when you check the inode number, it's pointing the same place. The both files, when you're creating the link, it remain the same. Okay, if you the links, removing the links, it's just reduce the count. It does not affect the data. Okay, if original file is removed, then the content of the file, which the link file has the content, you are not going to be lose any data. But disadvantages of hard link is you consume more memory, because the file size, for example, 1 MB, and then you check the link file also, it will be 1 MB because the content remain the same. Okay, and we're going to be discuss about next how to create an hard link. For create an hard link, ln is the command, the original file name and your link file name. For example, ln is the command, file1 is the my original file name, my link file name file2. Okay, before moving to the hands-on, let me give a small idea about soft link as well. Soft link is the file where here it has different inode number. If you compare to the hard link has the same inode number of the file. Okay, and soft link has a different inode number. You can say soft link as a just shortcut of your file. If the original file is deleted, then you will lose the data. Okay, and then here the advantage of the soft link is it won't consume more memory. Okay, to create a soft link, the command is ln-s original file name, and then original file name, yeah, it's supposed to be original file, it's not link, original file name, and then file name, your soft link file name. Okay, let's move to the hands-on and just, okay, let me create ls. So I like to create a link file for this a.txt. okay, ln hyphen ln sorry, original file name is t.txt, and then I'm going to be create link file a1.txt. See, my link file has been successfully created. Let me create ln-s. You can see, or else let me create the same name and then show it. Okay, let me bring up ln a dot text and then link file also a.txt. Hardlink is you not able to create a file, okay, because the file has been already exist. ls -l. So ls, I like to check the inode number. So you can see here both the content is 0. Let me take this file and let me create, and then you just note down this timestamp as well. For zero size files, any which ways remain the same. And I like to create a hard link file for this, which has the content of the file, because you can see here there is no content in this file. So ln what is my original which file we are trying to create. So this file has the content. So courses .txt, and the link file name courses on dot. This is my link file. Okay, it got successfully created. Let's ls -i. Okay, which is the link file we have been created, courses and then courses.1. You can see this 10. The original file is this, the original file 10.62.119, and you can see my link file 10.16.21. The inode has the same, the content of the file. Okay, so again I'll try just. You can notice here when the file is created, it's today's date is 27, but it 25 it has been created. I can see date, so you can see 27 today, but the original file which is created on 25. But just now we have created still the courses down. It's just take a backup of the file with the timestamp. That is the hard link file. If I delete courses.txt, still the content will remain the same. Okay, clear. Let's move to the soft link. How to ls. So for mjit.txt, I like to create a soft link file. Let's see any content over there in that file mjit.txt. Yes, some content is there, so fine. So ln clear ln -s for the soft link, the original file name mjit.txt, and then my link file mjit.txt. Sorry, I have missed out. ls-l. You can see here the soft link file has been created. Okay, see the original size of the file is 101. You can see here just 8, the size of the KB. Okay, so this is how you can create a soft link. Okay, so soft link can be created one directory to another directory, whereas an disadvantage of hard link is you cannot create a file, hard link file, outside of the directory. Okay, that's all about today. Okay, thank you. Please do like, share, subscribe our channel. It will help me to do more videos, and if you have any suggestions the particular topic, you can do, please post on the comment box. I will be posting on that particular topic video. Okay, thank you so much.